Alright, so Sunday, I start off in Miami where I had a 10-hour shoot with the main choice. But I'm not complain because it was smooth and yeah, I look good. I'm actually get for take a little nap. Anyway, I get that, I take that. I'm in a business. So I get for go to the studio after because I'm asleep. And then Monday, I hopped on a flight, went straight to New York because I did have a lot of meetings that I did really have to get to. And look at this building. So beautiful, so insane. It blew my mind, literally. Tuesday, I went shopping because I did have a video shoot in a Jamaica. And I did have to get something sweet before I touch the flight. Touched down in a Jamaica. Wednesday, I go up on a set, shoot my video with Asian, tip remix. Thursday, I spend all day with my snookums. And then I hop on a flight, go back to Miami. On Friday, to transit to go to LA. Saturday, I wake up early because I did have to do my fitting. I'm going on a European tour soon. And then I went straight on set to do a shoot with glassesusa.com. Yeah, I'm really in mind work from my own because I'm not make no man stress me out. Me work the stress though, because when girl good, girl good. Today I performed at the Hollywood Bowl. I work hard, I'm a money maker.